The monorail linking from the TTC to Magic Kingdom is down, so we're going to be on the ferry boat.
Are you ready to go to the Magic Kingdom? Excellent. Your boat is coming in right now. This boat is going to the Magic Kingdom. It is not going to Epcot. It is not going to the Animal Kingdom. It is not going to Hollywood Studios. Where is it going?
Grab a seat.
Alright, those white things that are just ahead, you see kind of up in the air a little bit. Those are the wheelchair platforms. Now that will take people that are in wheelchairs or mobility, have mobility problems. It will get you to the second floor of the ferry boat. Alright, so it looks like they will drop down onto the platform just through the gate that's here, and then you'll come through this way. That's really nice. Trying to get you a better view of these ramps as we head through here. They're not in use yet, but I expect that they will be here pretty soon. Yeah, everything on them seems to be set up and ready. So, probably doing training and stuff on them. And they'll have their own section to turn through. They are from this end. So they'll have one for interesting, very interesting. I'll be anxious to see those open.